History remembers kings, but one queen's revenge was so brutal, it became legend. In 945, Prince Igor of Kiev was murdered by a rival tribe. They thought the story was over. The tribe sent ambassadors to demand Olga surrender. She welcomed them to Kiev and buried them alive. Olga of Kiev had begun her revenge, but Olga was not finished. More envoys arrived in Kiev. She invited them to a bathhouse, then locked the doors and burned it to the ground. Finally, Olga attacked their city. But instead of soldiers, she demanded a strange tribute: 3 birds from every home. When they agreed, she tied burning cloth to the birds. They flew back to their nests, and the entire city burned. One queen, one revenge, and one of history's darkest legends.